If you're wondering how you can turn on or off the silence unknown callers feature on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Phone app, then tap on it. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you will find the option of Silence Unknown Callers. Now, if you disable this toggle, you will disable Silence Unknown Callers on your iPhone, and calls from unknown numbers will not be silenced and they will not go to voicemail. But if you enable this toggle, you will enable the Silence Unknown Callers feature on your iPhone. And by doing that, calls from unknown numbers will go directly to voicemail and they will be silenced. And this is how you can turn on and off the Silence Unknown Callers feature on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.